Hello students, I am Ashima from Mount View Public School, and today I want to deliver a lecture on personality development. Often when we hear this word personality, we confuse it with the outer self, the way we dress, the way we look, and the way we have our features. But that's not so. That is a very partial definition of personality. Personality includes our inner self, the way we talk to others, the way we behave, the way we address somebody, you know and also the way we share our feelings, our thoughts, all right, and the vibe we give to someone, the positive vibe. So personality includes many things, but to summarize, I'll give you a 6 point definition of personality, with one of which includes communication, and that is the most important thing in our personality. So communication comes from the word commune. Commune means to share our thoughts, our feelings, our life stories, and the way we can inspire someone to be more passionate and active, and to make someone feel good about themselves. So, to give an example, if two or more people are talking and you just enter into the room without even thinking, if you start talking and to communicate with them, that's not a good personality. Personality will include, if you sit, you try to understand what they're talking about and then give your views, your suggestions. So, in communication, one most important thing is to listen to somebody, to listen what they're trying to speak, and then speak. Don't try to dominate your views on someone. All right. So, the second point is the decision making power. You should be really clear about what you need to decide for yourself. At least you need to know what you need to decide for yourself. If you're confident enough to decide that what you need to do in your life, what do you want to become, everything, so that means you have a very good personality. But if you are very confused, let's suppose you are in class 12 and you don't know what you need to do in your life, that means you don't have a good personality. You need to know that what you're doing and what you need to pursue in your career. So the most important thing is, again, to decide for yourself. You don't need others, you need yourself to know what you need to do. Third, clarity of thoughts. Again, this is a part of the second point, clarity of thoughts. You need to be clear in your thoughts about what you're speaking, what you want to convey. For example, you're working somewhere and you don't know what you need to convey to the other person, so might be you'll get misunderstood. Yes, so clarity in your thoughts is very important again. Then comes your behavior. Behavior is like, um, we can confuse behavior with many things. We think we are very polite and we are very good to others, but that's not so. Behavior means what you are on the face of somebody and what you are on the back of somebody, what you're talking behind someone's back. Behavior is a very wide term to explain. So, in short, I just need to tell you that behavior means that you have to be true to self and to the people you are talking to. Because if you're back bitching on someone or you're talking rubbish about someone, and at the same time you're talking very nicely, politely, and you are, saying good things about the person on their face, so that's not a very good behavior. You have to be true to everyone around you. Then comes expression and gestures. वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि जब भी हम किसी अपने बड़े को मिलते हैं, वी हैव टू ग्रीट देम बाय नमस्ते और सत श्री अकाल, और एनी वे, बट यू हैव टू ग्रीट देम. So, gesture, the way you express, foremost thing. Second, in this category only, that you have to look good on your face. That when someone is talking to you, smile, or just pay attention. Don't look here and there when someone is talking to you. That will have a bad impact on your personality. That the other person will think that you're not a good listener, you are getting bored or something. Be active. Then next is smile. Smile is again a very 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 important thing. When you're smiling means that you are happy. Also, someone thinks that you have a good interest in them. So smile and make the other person feel happy. And when you feel happy, you make the surroundings happy, you make the environment positive. And when you feel like you'll make a dull face and you're not listening, you want to sleep, or whatever, you are just not attentive, then the other person will think that हाँ, इसको तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता, इसको हमारी बात में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, इसको हमसे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. बट व्हेन यू स्माइल एंड ग्रीट देम, देन दिल थिंक दैट यस, कितना अच्छा बंदा है, कितना अच्छे से बात करता है. So these are some 6 points you need to inculcate in yourself and have a very good personality. And also you need to know that पर्सनालिटी जो होती है ना, वो बचपन से बननी शुरू हो जाती है. इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम इनहेरिटेंस. यू लर्न दिस. ठीक है. सो कीप लर्निंग एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक. बाय बाय.